Hey there and welcome to my first ever Entremet. It's a new season of Bake Off and I decided to have a go at making a mousse cake. So I am attempting a pumpkin spice latte version. It's a first for me, never done an Entremet, but I've done some of the elements before individually. So I did measure out how thick I wanted everything to be to fit inside the receptacle. Nothing came out the size that I wanted it to be, so it's going to sit proud of the edge of the container in order to do what I want. So I've made this collar out of stuff I had around the house, and hopefully that will do the trick. Here's what's going into it. For the mousse, it's going to be a pumpkin puree and coffee mousse. The next layer is a coffee gelatin, which I made with a combination of espresso and instant coffee. I added a little bit of cream, not sure it was necessary. I was trying to get the latte effect. The third layer is a spice cake. I followed Mary Berry's recipe for her Yule log sponge and replaced the cocoa with 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of clove. The next layer is a pumpkin pie custard. I figured pumpkin pie is basically a baked custard, so that's going to be the custard layer. The base layer is a pecan sablé, which is just fancy pants for pecan sandies. So there you have it, my first Entremet. I am delighted with how it came out, and it tastes really good as well, so winner, winner, chicken dinner.